Hello students, welcome to today's social studies lesson number 1, reading maps of different kinds. We have discussed in the last class how the different basic things which are very important to know or read a map. So in the last class I have ended with the significance of symbols. And what are the new things we learned in this class? Point, line, area. Why is a point used? Point symbol is used to represent a particular place like Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, or even the name of the village or place of a particular area. Then lines. Line symbols are used to represent the river. The flow of the river is shown on with the help of blue color lines. For example, Manjira river, Tungabhadra river, and Krishna, Godavari. These rivers can be shown with the help of lines. So showing the flow course of that river. So here we can see one more symbol to show the railway line. So railway lines are also shown with the help of a line symbol. Then area. I told you in the last class how the area is shown, either with a different color, or we use the checks or dots to represent the importance of that area. For example, like this area grows this crops. The thematic map which gives the information about the rainfall or the type of crops grown there or the type of land present there, for example mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. So area symbols are used to represent the theme of the area. So that is what we have learned in the last class. But in this class we are going to learn how the maps shows the height. So when we see a map, it is flat. It is flat. We can't see the heights on a map. But it is possible to make a map like this, showing the heights of mountains or slopes. Is it possible to show on a map? Let us learn in this class how the physical maps are shown and how the heights can be shown on the map with the help of colors. Let us start the topic with physical map. If you have the textbook with you, you can see the picture of Nimpur village. So this is one of the picture. Actually, we can't call it as map. This is a picture which gives the information about Nimpur village. You can observe these are the mountains and the temple. The mountains are shaded in dark brown color, and here we can see when after a little bit distance slope, we can see the green land here, which is nothing but plains where the crops are grown here. And here you can see the river is flowing. Color blue is shaded to use the river, and here it goes and mixes into the sea. And this land is shaded into light brown color. You can observe the Nimpur village height is from the sea level. This is considered as sea. It is in a height. The Nimpur village is high from here, and above that temple is there, and above that the highest peak of mountains can be found. But do you think this picture gives all the information? Can you observe this mountains does not give us the information what is behind them. These mountains are hiding what is behind the mountains. So we can say this picture gives only the information about the village and its circumstances. But how can we show the heights in a mountains? Let us know in this measuring heights on a land. First, if we want to draw the height of a particular place, we have to measure it. Okay, either 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters, or 50 meters, 60 meters. How can we measure that? To measure something, we have to start from zero. We have to start from 0. So, what do you think the measurement would be taken to measure all the mountains or plateaus are playing in this world? So, the geographical map makers, we can say, they have considered as a sea level as the 0 level. Why sea is considered as the mean sea level? Mean sea level. So it is observed that seas are connected with each other in the world map. So we can see the seas are connected with each other and they have the same measurement throughout the world. So they started considering mean sea level as a 0%, and it is also measured with high tides and low tide that we learn at the end of the lesson. So here we can observe to measure the height of Nimpur village. This is one more kind of a map which shows the height on land. You can observe the sea level is measured as 0 meters, and from here to here green color is used to show the height of the land. Here from here to here it is 50 meters, and then here you can observe the height of Nimpur village is at 50 meters. So from here to here, this is the line which shows the equal height of that area. So here, whatever, maybe it's a village is here. For example, here one road is there, or here one post office is there. We can say it is also at the same height of 50 meters. So these line shows the equal height of that place. Now coming to the next height, that is 100 meters. So we can show the variation in the height using the help of color. Here light brown color is used to show the height between 50 to 100. So where is the temple now? At what height? Yes, it is at 100 meters. Now above 100 meters, dark brown color shade is used to show the highest peak of the mountain. So we can see different colors are used to show the different heights of the Nimpur village. The first is green, light brown for this height and dark brown for this height. Now this can show us the height of the village. The same it is from this view. We are able to observe this view of the Nimpur village. If we go up from the top, if we want to see the Nimpur village from the top, so this is the view showing height on a map. So here, this is the flat picture of the map. But even though it is showing the height in it, how is it possible? It is the upper view. So when a map shows from the upper view, how can we show the heights in this? For example, the dark brown color is used here to show the highest peak. The height is from 101 to 150. This height is 101 to 150. So the highest peak is shown with the help of dark shade. I told you in the symbols that an area is used shaded with the colors to show the importance of the place. So this space shows it is the highest height of this Nimpur village. Coming to the second height, that is 51 to 100. Now you can observe here another color shade is used. Here dark brown is used, here light brown is used to differentiate the heights of the particular area. So these line is known as counter line. What is a counter line? So these lines which are separating the heights from 100 and 150 to 51 to 100. The variation we can show. So this can be done with the help of counter line. Actually, what are counter lines? other. But depending upon the slope, sometimes in the valleys, we'll observe in this uses of maps showing heights. You can observe here one of the example where the counter lines are coming close to each other. So you can observe here is river Godavari flowing. So blue color is used to show the flow of river Godavari. And dark brown is shown to show the two mountain peaks in between which the river Godavari is flowing. You can observe there the highest peak dark brown, light brown, and these all area is colored in green color. That means the height is minimized here when coming to the slope. We can observe the slope in that map. So you can take a few examples of other maps also here. Come on, let us already I have explained you about the mean sea level, how the mean sea level is used. Let us once recall everything. Physical maps, it is a picture of the map which doesn't give all the information, just a part of the information we are getting, but it is hiding. That is the reason we can't call it as a perfect map. It is a picture. Coming to the next one. This shows the straight view of the map. A straight view of the mountain where it is showing the different heights of the map of the village. And this is the map which is taken from the upper view. Nowadays we can observe many of the pictures are being taken by the satellites. And these pictures also use the same process of shade. The different shades are used to represent different heights of that area. So here we can see height on a map. So like this. So one of the example is already given in our book. You can observe this in Telangana map where blue color is used. You can observe the heights. Here 0 to 150, dark green color is used here. And 150 to 300, light green color is used here. And 300 to 600, you can observe here MSL word is used, which means the mean sea level. So you can observe here, there are high tides and low tides on the level of sea, and they never stand still. So that is the reason high tides and low tides are considered as to measure the mean sea level. So at the shore of the river, high tides and low tides are measured. Mean means in the middle of the sea, where the water doesn't have more tides, that is considered as mean. Means in the middle of the sea. Mean sea level is considered which is equal as the ocean is connected with each other. For example, Pacific Ocean is connected with Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is connected with Indian Ocean. There is connection and flow of the water is there. So water doesn't raise up or down here where the mean sea level is equal entire the world. So you can observe this map. And now write down question answers. Try to write on your own, and I would like to give you homework. So take one physical map and write the uses of physical map in 5 sentences. What are the uses of physical map and how does the color shading help to understand the different heights of physical map? And here you can observe how the counter lines are useful to divide the heights, to show the heights of equal heights, to show the lands of equal heights. Hope you understood. If you have any queries, make a call. And we have done with this lesson. In the next class, we'll meet with one more topic. Thank you. Have a great day.